All right, everyone. So we are working on the car now, apparently. This is a little bit different than what we normally do with the truck content, but I went to just pull out of my driveway just now and noticed that I have a problem. That blinker is working normally. That blinker is blinking fast. So that means that either the front passenger or the rear passenger light is out. So I'm going to show you how to quickly diagnose this. So my blinker is on, but that one is not blinking. I bet that the rear is probably working. Yep, rear is working. So I am gonna have to go ahead and pull this headlight and put a bulb in it. I'll pick you back up in a few. Okay, so we know this problem is a blinker, but I'm gonna show you really quickly how to diagnose any problems with headlights. I'm gonna turn my lights on, and I'm also going to turn the four ways on. So headlights on, my turn signal is blinking. Headlights on. That one is solid. That's the one that's been giving us problems, and since I left you, it's been going in and out, so I'm just gonna replace that, period. So come over here, turn the lights off, turn the blinkers off. And we will pop the hood. Well, the latch was sticking, so got the hood open, and as you can see, to get to any of these, some are easier than others. I have to not do your headlights. I gotta get to turn signal, which is tucked back here and down there. So to get these off, two 10mm bolts. Let's see, that, and 10. I have plenty of these because who doesn't lose a 10mm all the time? Boom, easy. I'm gonna set this up, show you quickly how to do this. Okay. Super easy. Pull these out real quick. Just set them off to the side somewhere where you're not going to lose them. Set this off to the side. Now this headlight should pick up, because there should be tabs in the bottom, and come out of here ever so gently. There we go. Boom. Easy. No big deal. Pull this one out just like this. And these are the bulbs I'm replacing them with. The 2-pack I think was like $7 or $8 somewhere in there from any auto parts store. Pretty simple. So we will just, boom, twist, comes right out. Set that off to the side. Open up our new pack here. Now they say don't grab by the glass, grab them by the sides. And there's two little tabs on both sides. And you can see two little tabs in here. So just insert, push it all the way down, really push it in. Give it a twist so it can't come out, just like that. In the light, there's notches again on here. Line those up, twist. Put your headlight back in ever so snugly. Sorry. Put this in first behind the fender, just like that. Back down, holes are lined up. Screw these back down. Retighten. Screwed down. So now all we should have to do is turn the car back on, or in this case at least, turn the key. Took the key out. Put the key back in the ignition. Turn on. And then if I turn my blinker on, blinking normally, not fast blinking anymore. There we go. So this was a quick way to do this. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Also, in the video description, I'm going to put a link to these bulbs, and I'm also going to put an Amazon affiliate link to some of my favorite tools to use around the shop. If you want to support the channel in a little more direct way, you can go ahead and use that affiliate link to buy some of the tools if you find something that you like and would use. It doesn't cost you any extra. It's not sponsored through me, but I do get a little bit of commission for pushing those links out. So, thank you.